Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is the 22nd of April 2026. It is a nice Wednesday morning here. And I'll give you an update about what happened yesterday in the past 24 hours since our last update. Lots of activity for especially Bitcoin. So let's get right into it. Today is day number 54 of our documented trading journey, and right now Oanda is at 15281 with a 53% exposure, and for Binance Bitcoin is 10,223 with a 12% exposure. So we have taken a lot of profits for Bitcoin already, and our exposure is extremely low right now due to the tick up in the Bitcoin market. So in this great trading strategy, obviously we need the market to dip so that we can load up on more orders being filled or more buy orders being filled. Total net asset value is 25,504 US dollars, which equates to an 8.39% gain since we started 54 days ago, or in US dollars terms, it's 1,974 US dollar gain. So let's get right into Bitcoin. First of all, we had a very active trading day in the past 24 hours. Since our last update around this candle, I would say. Yep. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 take profits and 2 buys. I think it's easier to see if we go into the actual desktop app instead of the mobile app. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 take profits and 2 buys. Not sure why it shows here as many as it is, but let's see. So it's on the 20th. Today is the 22nd, isn't it? 21st. Yeah. So for some reason on the mobile app, it doesn't show that 2 orders were hit if it's on the same candle. So it's only one of them here hit, as you can see. But if you go into the desktop app, and this is the same time frame, 1 hour, you can see they are stacked on top of each other. You can see that clearly there are 2 take profits here in that same candle, and similarly here. So the last time we updated was this one. Around here we updated, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 take profits and 2 buys. So that's correct. 2 buys and 6 take profits. And don't forget to reload your buy orders on the way down for all the take profits being hit. Yeah. So it's probably clear if we can look at this one chart again. So for every take profit here, I've reset the buy order. Bam, 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 bam. So if we believe in the thesis that Bitcoin's bear market is not yet over, there's one more big dip coming, we should hope for all these being hit. And that will be good for our exposure rate as well, because currently for Binance Bitcoin, we're only at 12%. That's very, very low. So it's about 1,000 something US dollars exposure in Bitcoin. 12% of that. Yeah, that's not great. 1,200 US dollars exposure in Bitcoin now. But that's the nature of the great trading strategy. We suffer the drawdowns, but the drawdowns are necessary to reload on the exposure. Okay, so that was for Bitcoin. Let's look now at CFD trading. Okay, for some reason this doesn't like it, so I'm going to close it one more time. Try to open it again. Okay. So for silver, we had 2 buys and 1 take profit. Let's look at the activity. Okay, I think it's best if we look at this chart first of all. Okay, so where were the 2 buys? The 2 buys were at this level, 78.50. So this was the one that was hit yesterday. If we go into the hourly chart, it's probably clearer. Yeah, our last update was somewhere around here, this candle. And obviously this big red candle hit the buy order for 10 units here, and then it hit the buy order for 25 units here, but it also hit the take profit for this 25 units here somewhere around the 78 level. So yeah, we have 1 trade open from yesterday and 1 open and close trade from yesterday, hence we have 2 buys and 1 take profit. So the 1 buy here and 1 take profit was from here, and then this is the other buy that it's still open. In terms of the P&L, this was the 25 units that was open at $76 per ounce, and it closed at almost $78 per ounce for a profit of $46.20. And the other, yeah, this was the trade that was open at 76, and then there was one more trade open at 78, which is still open. So yeah, it was a good result for silver. So let's look at the other instruments now. Nothing else hit. There was no other activity for gold, China A50, copper, oil, S&P 500. Nothing else was hit, and bonds as well. Well, that's an open trade. So let's go look at that. We zoom out. Okay, we just check on our trades and see that these are still open. So for bonds, you can see they are still open. Let's look at China A50. Wow, the market has really run away here, hasn't it? But it's okay, we shall not chase. We shall wait for the next opportunity. Crude oil. We have some open trades, but it hasn't hit. Copper seems to be resuming its uptrend. S&P 500. Yep, it looks very strong as well. Silver, of course. This is what the daily chart looks like. And lastly, we have gold. Gold, we still have 4 open trades open. Let's have a look at the P&L of that. So we have 4 trades open for gold. One of them is slightly in profit at $5, and the rest are still in the red. So if we click on this one, we can see our unrealized profit is almost $500, and our exposure rate is 8,000. So roughly 50% of our net asset value, 8,147 exposure in all our trades cumulatively, with a net asset value of 15,265 currently. So yeah, that is my update for today, and let's see what happens in terms of volatility, especially for the CFD market today. Okay, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye.